Now let's discuss about the disadvantages of joint family system. The disadvantages or the demerits can be found in any system, and so why joint family does not have the disadvantages. So uh, when we talk about a joint family, there are many things which the members have to face, or the problems which the members of the joint family have to face. Like, uh, we often more focus on the personality development of an individual. So, in a joint family, a person is devoid of taking decisions, like the children are not given the participation in the decision making of the house. So their personality is often hindered, or the development of the personality is often hindered in the long run. The members or the children cannot take decision. They are often dictated through the decisions of the elders. They often live in fear of the elder members of the family. So they they do not get the freedom which is required to develop one's personality. Then the other disadvantage is that the women are often found in deplorable condition. Like in the joint family, mostly they are patriarchal families, or we can say that there is the rule of the head of the family, and the women are often confined to their houses because they are considered to make food in their kitchen, or to care and nurture the children. So the condition of women is often deplorable and bad in the joint family. They are not given the participation in the decision making because most of the decisions are taken by the male members of the family. Then there is more hatred and jealousy in the joint family because mostly we see that there are people in the joint family. One brother might be earning more than the other. Then when it comes the time of distribution of wealth, it's equally divided among all the members, or it's given according to the necessity of the members. So it often leads to hatred and jealousy among the other people of the family who are working or earning more. Then there is a chance that there is more procreation because we see that the grandfather or the great grandfather, they are usually more orthodox and conservative, and they do not want to stop the birth of children in their house. They feel that if there are more children or more members, it will add to the strength of the family. And for more procreation, there is also a reason that one does not have to care about the proper nurture of upbringing of children because there are so many members to look after and care for the children. Then there are chances that people or the members become more lazy because the younger people in the family feel that there are elder members to earn and to work, and so why they should participate in the earning and the working of the house. So often it leads to children becoming lazy and not responsible towards the family. Then there is lack of privacy as so many members live under the same roof. So there are times that even one room is not provided to one family. So in this way, women often feel that they are facing lack of privacy in the house. Then it's dominated by more orthodoxy and conservatism, like the there is found a generation gap between the uh, two generations, three or more generations who are living under the same roof. And often, practices are followed like child marriage or restriction on widow remarriage in the joint family, which we can say are examples of orthodoxy and conservatism. Then there is dissatisfaction among the breadwinners of the family, because one who's working and earning and working very hard to earn, and he's not getting more facilities, but there are equal facilities being given to everyone, whether the members are working or not. So it might lead to dissatisfaction among the earning members of the family. Then there are more tensions and clashes, as we can see that women, they engage into a clash or tension even on uh, small issues, like when their children fight, or it's about the distribution of the facilities in the house, or any other small issue. So there are more tensions and more clashes. Then there we can say that because there is um, the we can say that dictatorship of the head of the family, so the children or the members often live in an atmosphere of fear, and they are often they fear in doing something because they feel that they might be scolded, or they might be beaten up by the elder members and so many members of the family.